Okay, guys, now that we've written our intro paragraph, how do we write our body paragraph? So remember, our intro paragraph had one sentence of introduction, and then we answered the question in our other two sentences. Remember, the question was, how does each text approach the topic of growing up? For our first poem, we said, the author of Decisions approaches the topic of growing up by explaining how he misses his childhood and complaining about the decisions he's forced to make as an adult. So, in our first body paragraph, we have to prove that this is true, that we didn't just lie to the old lady's face. So, as my topic sentence, and this isn't the best idea, guys, you usually want to change your words up a little bit, but just for the sake of simplicity, I copied and pasted my thesis statement, and turned it into my topic sentence for my first body paragraph. The reason I did this is because when the old lady reads this topic sentence, she knows exactly what this paragraph is going to be about. She knows this paragraph is going to be proving this statement. So, in the poem Decisions, the author approaches the topic of growing up by explaining how he misses his childhood and complaining about the decisions he's forced to make as an adult. Now, I have to prove what I just said. So I introduce my text evidence. When explaining the problem, the speaker says, and then where did I get my text evidence from? The last page, the evidence collection chart. I'm using this piece of text evidence right here that I already put down. I'm copying it and pasting it. So when explaining the problem, the speaker says, what to do, where to go, to save or to buy. All the questions now required make me shiver and sigh, sorry. And then I'm just going to explain it. You guys know whenever you cite text evidence, you need to explain your text evidence. This shows how little the speaker cares for his newfound responsibilities. So, we just showed that all the new decisions and responsibilities he has as an adult make him shiver and sigh. Now, just because I want to really prove my point, I'm going to use a second piece of text evidence. The speaker ends the poem by saying, and again, this is the last line of the poem. This is my text evidence from right here. If growing older means making even more choices still, I'd rather stay young. Forever I will. This shows that the speaker rebels against the responsibilities of adulthood and vows to stay a child forever. So, did we prove this statement? That he misses childhood and complains about the decisions he's forced to make as an adult. Complain, misses childhood. So yeah, we cited two pieces of text evidence, we explained it, and that totally proves our point. So remember, all I did was take the text evidence from here and take my answer from up here as my topic sentence. Now you guys need to do the same thing with your second body paragraph, but this time make it about growing down. So if you need to, you can copy and paste this and make this your topic sentence, and then prove this statement with text evidence and explanations from your evidence collection chart. Hopefully that makes